Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is now in session. We have 2 dockets. We have a motion to revoke probation docket and our announcement docket. Both dockets are scheduled on today's date of July 29th of 2022. First case that we'll be calling is Travis Lavelle Clark. This is cause number 328652. Case to stop the state of Texas versus Travis Lavelle Clark. We have Mr. Clark appearing via Zoom. Mr. Clark, you can take your mic off of mute.
Sir,
Mr. Clark, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Clark.
Yes, sir.
You're represented by your attorney Joel Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. State is represented by Assistant District Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
Pretty well, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Vasquez, what is your announcement in Mr. Clark's case?
Judge, could we have another announcement setting? And I believe we can dispose of the case next time.
Okay, how much time do you need?
30 days, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date.
October 14th.
Okay, this case is going to be reset to October 14th of 2022. Mr. Clark, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You have a blessed day too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And Mr. Vasquez, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
All right. Thank you. Could you please call James Barnes? Court is in session in cause number 321-750. Case is style of state of Texas versus James T. Barnes or James Timothy Barnes. Mr. Barnes, is that your full name?
Oh, yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Barnes?
Okay.
That's good. Mr. Barnes, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, how are you doing? Good morning. And this Jefferson County Probation Office is represented by Ms. Joanna Joseph. Ms. Joseph, how are you doing? Mr. Paget, what is your announcement
Your
in
Honor,
Mr. Barnes' case?
Mr. Barnes has a sentencing on a case in Orange in a couple of weeks. I was wondering if we could put this in TRP on the docket after that to find out what the outcome is, because it might be a moot point here, depending on what happens in Orange. And it is a final sentencing hearing in Orange.
Okay.
If you would just,
Do you know,
August 16th.
yeah, so if you would just get us after the second week of August,
okay,
then we can dispose of this.
give us a recent, September 2nd?
Thank you. very
That's good?
much.
Okay.
Anything after that second week of August.
Okay, Mr. Barnes, your case will be reset till September 2nd. And your attorney, well, your attorney's gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Paget, I think this is your only case. Do you have another one?
Yes, sir. I believe I do have a bill, BILL, see on the document.
I don't know.
Okay, all right, I'll probably have
Okay.
a week set off. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Your Honor.
okay,
Appreciate it.
okay, you'll be free to go, and you
Yes,
have a
Your Honor.
blessed day. It's time for your reset.